Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing your environment. Create an account and enable two-factor authentication to protect access. Once done, download the Spy Penguin installer matching your operating system and verify its checksum to ensure integrity. Install with administrator rights and grant the network permissions it requests. Make sure to close other VPNs or proxy apps first so ports and routes won't conflict. This gets the client running and ready for configuration, which is the next step. Now configure the client. Pick a server region based on latency or desired geolocation and run a quick ping to compare options. Enable the kill switch and DNS/IP6 leak protection so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Choose a protocol, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, and set split tunneling so only specific apps route through Spy Penguin. Adjust automatic reconnect and startup preferences. Once configured, connect and verify your new IP and encrypted tunnel are active. To finish, validate operation. Run an IP and DNS leak test, then visit a geo-restricted site or streaming service to confirm routing behaves as expected. Enable automatic updates and collect client logs for future troubleshooting. Make sure your preferred apps are included in split tunneling rules and test performance during peak and off-peak times. If something goes wrong, the most effective quick fix is to switch protocol or server first. If that fails, temporarily disable the firewall or security suite, then re-enable it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.